I noticed during his sleep, let's go back to, my favorite topic,
Yeah.
he was snoring a little bit
Oh,
and
interesting.
sometimes getting like intermittent oxygen where he was like, doing that kind of thing. That was a red flag
Hmm.
for me because kids should never snore. Tip
Yeah.
number one, if you're younger than teenager or even a teenager snores, you got to go to a pediatric ENT. You got to have their
Mm.
tonsils and adenoids evaluated with a CT scan. And then eventually when they're 5 to 12 years old, an orthodontist should look at their jaw to make sure it's not too narrow or the lower jaw is
Mm.
not too retruded or further back, because that can make the tongue not able to sit in a place where they can breathe well.